Use this crawl and just let it sit on the bottom and see if anything will hit it. I know it's a light pull. I only got 6-pound test, so I loosen my drag in case anything that's pretty big comes up and tries to smack it. But this crawl should be able to do something, at least catch something. And if the crawl doesn't work, I'm just gonna throw a regular Senko on there. Oh, is that a bite? Yeah, I got a bite. A regular Senko on there. Something small. I got one. Oh, I had one. What in the world? Thought I just had one. But yeah, that's what I'm just gonna do. The crawl's kind of ripped, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully I bought my my small hooks. If I did, I can be able to catch these smaller fish in here. But I really want to go after that big one. I feel like that's just smacking that freaking bottom. I'm gonna have to get a new crawl. This crawl and this jig head are way too big. I'm gonna have to cut this off and put something else on just because it's too big. I put a smaller hook on, something small. The water seems like it's pretty cold. Like again, 40 to 41 degrees, and it's very windy out and it just rained. So I don't know if the fish can even see this. I just feel like they're sitting by the spillway. Come on, I switched baits. See if we get anything. I have a smaller hook on there, just a little black worm. I cut the curly tail off of it. Hopefully crappie or something's gonna have to hit it. It doesn't sink that well, but it gets down there, something's gonna smack it. And the hook's just small enough to get whatever. So we'll see. That minnow, dude.
Sweet. Yeah, I have like a pack of 15 of these minnows. Are awesome.
Wow. Where'd you get that? Like on the, that's on the edge too, wasn't it?
Was it?
Is that on the edge you caught it?
Yeah.
Oh.
About 5 feet offshore.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good one. That's like at least, I would say, maybe a pound and a half. That's a good one. Well, he just caught a bass off his mimic minnow, right?
Yeah.
His mimic minnow. I guess he's throwing like right over here. I'm pretty sure if they hit that mimic minnow, they're gonna hit this this jerk bait. I don't know. It might be too big, but I think that fish would eat it. Are you just like reeling it in on the edge and stuff, like slow? I wonder how they see it with all this water being so dirty. It seems like they like the smaller stuff, like the small finesse stuff. Oh, there's one. Oh, shit. That was a big one.
That might be the same one.
That was like this.
Yeah.
I'll get him. He hit right where the stick was too. It was weird.
That's where my cast was.
I don't know if those fish it's either those fish grew a lot, those bass they put in here, or someone's putting them in. Oh, there's another one. You can throw over here if you want. That's 2 of them. It's either growing really fast or someone's putting them in here from there, because they seem pretty big.
I know that Steve guy, they were transferring fish over to the big lake.
That's what it probably is then. I just got another bite. That's 2 bites and 2 casts. There's a bass sitting here. Hopefully, you can throw over here if you want. and help me get it if you want. I don't care. But that's twice he's hit that thing. Jeez. Get my camera out of your way. What's wrong? Yeah, I came out here when it was when the lake froze. I went ice fishing. I got yelled at by some lady, but I was like, she thought I was a kid. I'm like, I'm 26 years old. You know what I mean? I didn't go out in the middle. I just went like on the edge over there. I caught some bass. There has to be like a school where we're throwing. Oh God. That's weird how I think they're biting in here, and over where the spillway they're not biting. Yeah, you hit like right there, literally right here.
Really do like hanging around any kind of rock.
Yeah. You're probably right. You can see them when the water's not cloudy. There's like a pack, like a school, at least 8 or 9 of them, and they swim together.
Stripers?
Oh yeah, the stripers, and you'll see them on top of the water. Oh, there's another. Oh, I just got another hit. Yeah, they swim in like big schools. I don't know how big they are now. They should be pretty big. I was thinking those bass that we were catching would be sitting right over there, waiting for these fish to come in that way. What just happened was, okay, so what just happened was, I went to the front pond. I got one bite, then I threw into the second pond because I saw one of the kids fishing over there. He caught 2 over there, 2 bass. So once I threw my jerkbait in there, I did get a pretty big size one. I bet you it was between almost 2 pounds, but unfortunately I lost it, as you guys could see. Then I switched ponds to the back, which wasn't a good idea, just because I did not get anything. I mean, the water's too murky and all of that stuff. So unfortunately I did not catch anything today. But I got some fish on film, and you guys saw that big monster fish annihilate my jerkbait. So I think when I come here tomorrow, or when it's warmer again, we should be able to hit this small pond, and that should be a really, really good pond. All right, guys, just want to say again, thank you for watching. It means a lot to me. I know my channel is very, very small still, but you guys commenting and subbing means a lot to me, because I want to show you guys where I fish out there. If you guys like it, let me know, because I enjoy it, and what I enjoy, I want you guys to see what I do, so you guys can enjoy and learn from my channel. And sorry about the wind, but yeah, you guys can do me a huge favor and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And as always, catch big fish. Have a great day.